Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Shubham Kesri. In this session, we will discuss about heading tag in HTML. Heading tag is a container tag. This tag is a special pre-formatted tag to create heading on web page. This heading will help to define structure and format of a document and highlight important topic. Heading will appear bold by default and their size also depend on their level. Now, there are 6 types of heading level tags in HTML: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These all are heading levels tags in HTML. Since heading tags are container tags, so it is always occur in pair. Depending on the heading number, the text inside these tags displayed differently. The size of text inside H1 is greatest and the size of text inside H6 is smallest than other heading level. Now, open your notepad, write some code, write HTML, head, title tag. Now, write heading tag. Now, close title tag, close head tag, open body tag here. Okay, open body tag and then write here H1, write welcome to the Tech Virus. Now close H1 tag. Copy this text. Now write H2 tag and then close H2 tag. Write H3 tag, welcome to the Tech Virus, and close H3 tag. Again write H4 tag and close H4 tag. Write H5 tag and again close H5 tag. Write H6 tag and close H6 tag. Now close body tag and close HTML tag. Save it. Okay. Now run this heading.html. Yeah. See, the size of the text is decreasing from top to bottom. This means the size of H1 heading tag is largest and the size of H6 heading tag is smallest. The other lies between both. Okay. Now, we can also align the text inside heading tag in web page, and based on the requirement, the same can be displayed. The text written on notepad always appear left aligned on the web page by default. The align attribute is used to change the alignment of the text. The value of the alignment attribute are, see here, center, left, right, justify. Center, align the whole text to the center of web page. Left, align the whole text to the left of the web page. Right, align the whole text to the right of the web page. And justify, justifies the whole text and also intends the first line. Now, right here, align equals to right center. Save it and refresh this page. See, this text welcome to the Tech Virus has moved to center of the web page. Now, right here, align equals to right Save it, refresh it. See, this text welcome to the tech virus has moved to right of the web page. Now right align equals to left. Save it, refresh it. See, this welcome to the tech virus is still in its position because it is already left alignment. Okay. Friends, if you have any doubt related to heading tag, then knock me on comment section. Thank you.